So here is how to link a bank account to PayPal. So first you'll need to open your PayPal and log in, and then scroll down in here and click on link a card or a bank, and then simply select link a bank account, and then select the account type, if it's checking or saving, and then enter your IBAN number or account number, and then select the currency. You want a local currency or US dollars, and then you can simply enter your intermediary bank code, which is optional, your phone number, and your address. And it will ask you to choose the same name or edit the name. You can also link a US bank instead if you click down here. You can select the checking, saving, enter the routing number and account number, and then click on link bank account. Now, once you link the bank account, PayPal will send you small transactions with a code next to the transaction name. It will usually say PP and then followed by asterisk and the code, or the transaction name should be PayPal and code and a number of 4 digits. And it will ask you to input the number next to the transaction name. You should put it in here and then confirm to confirm your bank account and be linked on your PayPal. Now, sometimes it may ask you, it will send you 2 small transactions, and then you will need to come in here and specify the amount of those transactions. For example, 10 cents and 25 cents. You'll need to enter the exact amount and confirm. But I don't think they use that method anymore. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.